Hello, friends. Today, we'll talk about clay cookware. For centuries, clay pots have been used in kitchens to prepare wholesome meals. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right clay pots, how to use them, cook with them, and care for them properly. When buying clay pots, always make sure the pot is heavy. Heavier pots last longer and are less likely to crack. Here I have Swadeshi Blessings clay pots for cooking. It comes with an instruction booklet and organic wood ash for cleaning. I have both red and black clay pots, and the process of using them is exactly the same. Before first use, we need to season the pots. Start the seasoning process by soaking the pot fully in water like this. Clay is porous, so it will absorb the water into its body. Let it soak for 24 hours. After soaking, remove the pot and gently wash it using organic wood ash. Here, I'm using a coconut scrubber. Gently scrub the pot to remove any impurities. Now the clay pot is clean and ready for drying. You can dry it in the sun or place it in a dry area for 8 to 10 hours. Once it's completely dry, the next step of seasoning will oil the clay pot. I'm using olive oil here, but you can use any cooking oil. Rub the oil evenly inside and outside of the pot. This seasoning process only needs to be done once. Never use the pot directly on the flame without seasoning. The pot may crack. You can use tissue or cotton for oiling. Once oiled, let the pot sit for 5 to 6 hours to fully absorb the oil. Now it's ready for cooking. Please remember, never preheat the empty pot. Always add water or oil first before turning on the gas. For first-time cooking, start with something simple like rice or pulses. Cover it to let the water boil, and then add rice or pulses. To clean your clay cookware, avoid using soap. Instead, clean it with salt, lemon, baking soda, or ash. Here I'm again using a coconut scrubber, but you can use a sponge too. They clean easily. If you use clay pots daily, simply wash with warm water and let them dry. If you use them every few days, wash and sun-dry them properly. Over time, pots may turn black. That's normal and doesn't affect cooking. You may also see small cracks after long use. That's okay too. Always season the pot before first use. Try cooking rice or lentils first. Always cook on low or medium flame to avoid damage. Never place a hot clay pot directly on the floor. Use a cloth or palm leaf stand instead. Don't preheat the pot. Always add oil or water before turning on the gas. And only clean the pot once it has completely cooled. Use only good quality, heavy clay cookware. Never use soap and avoid metal scrubbers. Stick to coconut scrubbers or soft sponges. Use only wooden spoons for stirring food. Make sure the pots are completely dry before storing. This prevents mold or fungus. With proper care, your clay cookware will last a long time and stay in great shape. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you enjoy the natural, healthy benefits of cooking in clay cookware.